Hello, my name is Mina. I'm a chef de partie at Restaurant Ember and I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. And today I'm gonna cook a karniyarik with you. It's one of my favorite dishes that my dad usually makes. So when I was a child we used to eat it once a week at least. And it's a very classic Turkish dish that is mostly cooked at home. So we're gonna start off with putting up our saute pan. And we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil into the pan to slowly heat up. And while the oil is heating up, we're gonna start peeling our eggplants. We're gonna peel them alternating, so we're gonna leave about half of the skin on them. This way we give the eggplant a nice look and we have more of the edible eggplant. And it will cook faster as well. So we're just gonna place our eggplant inside the oil and slowly sear them on all of the sides. So what you want is this nice sizzling sound that we hear, which means that we have a nice heat going for the eggplant. To get ready to take the eggplant out, we will have a tray with a towel on it so that we can get the excess oil off the eggplant. And as the next step, while we roast our eggplants in the oil, we can set up our second saute pan to start with the filling. Add a little bit of olive oil. So the goal is to get this golden brown color on all around the eggplant. So once our second saute pan is heated up, we're gonna add the onions. Just about 1 onion, roughly chopped. And we don't really want them to get much color, so we're just going to saute them at a medium heat. And every now and then we still check our eggplants and turn them around. Then we're going to add our garlic. When the onions are slowly getting to cook, we add our diced tomatoes and our Serrano chilies. Now our eggplant is slowly being done. Once it's about this color on all sides, we will take them out and let them cool down on the side and then finish our filling. So once you see that the juice of the tomatoes is pretty much cooked away, you're gonna add your ground beef. Make sure to break it up, otherwise it will stay in a big lump and won't get a nice color. And it will also not cook through all the way on all sides. So once the beef starts to get a little bit of color, we're gonna add about a cup of water. Stir it around a little bit, and then we're just gonna let it simmer here for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now that the juice is about halfway gone, we're just gonna turn it off from the heat, take it down, take it to a side and add our seasonings and let it cool down for a little bit. So we're gonna add some ground black pepper that is fresh from the mill, a few dried chili flakes, and a little bit of salt. So we're just gonna take a small knife and cut it open from the top and open it up a little bit so you get the space to put the filling in. And you can be pretty generous with the filling. They're usually full of it, and you can make sure that there's a load on the top as well. Then we already have our oven preheated to about 180 degrees. You can use a casserole or you can even just use a saute pan. Anything that's ready to fit into an oven that will not melt or anything like that, that you can leave in there for 30 minutes. So we can go straight into plating now. And then we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of chopped parsley. Just right through the middle on top. Alright, so this is the karniyarik, how I know it from my childhood. So I hope you enjoy it.